we're trying to find Courthouse Falls from a different direction. Normally you drive down this pretty long gravel road and then it's a short hike, but we decided we'd rather hike than drive gravel. So
here we go.
This trail is very...
This is sort of unnamed or something, right?
Lightly traveled, it looks like.
Yeah.
But it looks like it might rain. Rained a little on the way over here.
Yeah, it wasn't supposed to rain, so this is sort of like, hope we don't get poured on.
So far, this trail's kind of nice. We were expecting it to be way less, like, easy to follow, I guess.
Yeah,
just because...
it's like in rhododendron.
Yeah. Nice.
Yeah.
I don't know if you can hear it, but here comes the rain.
Yeah, it was not supposed to rain today.
Trail's getting a little steep.
Yeah. It's raining.
We just came up super steep. They didn't even switch back it. It was just like straight uphill. But now we're going downhill, which means
like straight downhill.
Which means uphill on the way back, which is kind of a bummer, but it's only 2 miles in, 2 miles out, maybe. But I stubbed my toe and lost some of my polish. So annoying. It's raining a little harder, and this trail is very narrow. Very narrow.
I forgot to mention how it is raining.
It is raining. It's a little muddy, but I like mud. Chili mud.
I love mud.
I love mud.
Right down my face.
Oh, this is pretty up here with the grass. Grass and ferns. I know I always say this. Is that too close? Probably not. Oh, it's so pretty. It looks so far away in the camera. Looks like a lightning struck this tree. It's kind of cool.
Yeah,
It really
it's still raining.
Yeah, it really hasn't stopped raining the whole time. But we're hearing water, so we think we're at least getting close to where the creek is. But it did flatten out, and this is kind of nice. It's a little weedy, but... This is a little scary. It's moving a lot. I don't know if you can see when I bounce, it moves. How does it look underneath? Is it...
I mean, it looks fine. I don't see anything that... It just looks a little funky at the other side of like where it's kind of...
Like it might fall off?
Yeah, no. I don't... It looks okay. You shouldn't go on at the same time?
Probably not at the same time. And I'm gonna run.
Okay, that's what I'm gonna do.
Okay, that's not bad. It just looks a little janky.
Oh yeah.
That's not too bad. We've been on worse.
Yeah. Definitely.
Yeah, I'm liking it. That tree.
Wow, that looks like
Wow, that tree's still there, but
that's so cool.
wow, that's beautiful.
Yeah, that's actually one of the coolest falls, I think.
Yeah, this is a nice one. This looks a little janky. Not any better than that other one we went over.
Yeah.
It's always a little weird to me because this is one of the most popular ones, but nobody's here. These are really steep.
So thank you.
We have it all to ourselves. You can kind of see the dragon face from this angle.
That looks like a dragon.
Dragon tree. Right there. Good day. And then we gotta go up these janky steps. That's cool.
Like a business.
This trail is so steep.
Yeah.
Can't really tell in here, but man, this is our second time having to stop to breathe. So humid.
I still see a fair amount of berries.
What?
I see a fair amount of berries.
Oh, yeah. It's pretty narrow too.
Rough.
We are looking rough. That was a rough trail, parts of it.
Yeah,
Very
it
steep.
was.
But it's kind of narrow, so I don't know if we can walk too far. side by side. But really pretty, and we had the falls to ourselves. That's a pretty popular one.
Yep, nobody.
And we haven't seen a soul all day. Not on the trail, not at the falls.
Nope.
It was great.
Yes.
It did rain, but we didn't get super soaked. More wet from the bushes that we had to walk through. But we're almost back to our car. I'm hoping it's kind of a sketchy pull out. I'm hoping I can get out of here.
Yeah.
But it was fun. 4 miles.
About 4.
About 4, yeah.
Yeah.
Good times. I know polish held up pretty well. Just that one spot where I stubbed my toe came off. Very muddy. But see, this is where we're parked, and I think I might be able to just back up and not get in the road.